How to activate SNPL in bottom. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open bottom app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on All at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down, you'll find Credit, which is Send Now, Pay Later. Click on it. After you click on Send Now, Pay Later, if you're eligible, you will find here option to activate. In my region, it's not available, so there's no option. But you'll find this kind of screen pop up. After you see this kind of screen, you can simply activate now. And then after you activate while sending money, press on Send Now, Pay Later option. This is how to activate SNPL in bottom. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.